Let's talk about what happens when passion meets profession. Elite Cosmetology College isn't just another esthetician course. Our program gives you everything you need to succeed in one of the fastest-growing industries in California. Our world-class instructors bring real industry experience from Beverly Hills' most exclusive spas and celebrity treatment rooms. You'll master advanced facial techniques, cutting-edge skincare technology, and the business savvy that separates struggling practitioners from six-figure success stories. From day one, you're working with professional-grade equipment in our stunning, fully equipped school. You'll build an impressive portfolio while treating actual clients who rave about your skills. This is more than education. It's your ticket to financial freedom, creative fulfillment, and a career where you wake up excited every single day. Visit our website or give us a call today to learn more and schedule a tour. Your future is waiting.